A lot of solar plaques left here. It's like a farm. We call it a farm of solar plaques. And we also have a lot of winds for the wind energy. We're going to see many often. Already a autonomous community. It's totally independent. Then we have Castilla. Castilla, you probably heard of Castilla. Do you remember Don Quixote? Don Quixote? That's one of the most important book writing in Spain by Miguel de Cervantes, that apparently is buried in a church in Madrid. They are doing the AND, you know, DNA test, you know, because they found a body that it could be Miguel de Cervantes body in a church in Madrid, and he realized that the windmills were supposed to be men that were going to capture here, part of the history. You know, in Spain, most people speak Spanish. This coming from Castilian. There are 3 regions in the country where you spoke another language. You have Basque, at the Basque country, where they speak Basque. Then you have Catalan, in the Catalan country, capital Barcelona, that together with Madrid are the 2 most important cities of the country. If you live in Catalonia, you need to speak the language. It's alive. You know, at the school, at the university, on the streets, everybody speaks Catalan. The other 2 regions, Basque and Galicia, are not so compulsory. So you can survive without speaking Basque and without speaking Gallego. Well, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about today's programs. So, as soon as we arrive to Ronda, we will give you, maybe we stop on the way, depends if there are other buses. Otherwise, as soon as we get there, we will stop on the north of the city, in the new city. I will give you a little bit of free time that you can go to any of the restaurants, the coffee shop around, to have a coffee and to use the bathrooms. You may need it, okay? So before starting the visit of Ronda, we will give you a little bit of free time. Remember that we are going to have another guide waiting for us today, Anna. She's a lovely girl. And so we are going to split the group. So 30 people will be coming with me, and 10 of you will be going with Anna. We are going to do everything walking. Ronda is divided into sections. You have the new city where we stop, and we have the old city where we go. Okay? And it's divided by a gorge.